The global economy is more connected than ever, and fast, affordable international transfers have become essential for freelancers, remote workers, travelers, and business owners. Neon Bank stands out by offering one of the most streamlined and cost-effective systems for sending money across borders, and this video breaks down exactly what makes it the best option for international transactions. Neon Bank simplifies the entire process by removing traditional banking barriers. Transfers are processed digitally from start to finish without relying on old-style correspondent banking chains. This means fewer intermediaries, reduced wait times, and significantly lower fees. Users can transfer funds to major regions including North America, Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa with consistent exchange rates that closely follow real-time market prices. One of Neon's strongest advantages is transparent pricing. Every outgoing transfer shows the exact fee up front, typically far lower than what legacy banks charge. There are no hidden charges on the receiving end, allowing users to know precisely how much their recipient will get in US dollars before finalizing a transfer. This clarity has made Neon Bank popular among freelancers who are paid internationally and small businesses managing suppliers or contractors overseas. Security is built into every step. Neon uses encrypted channels, multi-factor authentication, and automatic fraud monitoring to ensure transfers remain protected from unauthorized activity. The mobile app provides real-time notifications, allowing users to track every stage from initiation to delivery. The user experience is another reason Neon leads the space. Account creation is fast, verification is simple, and the interface is designed for people who want to move money without navigating complex menus or filling out repetitive forms. Neon Bank delivers a modern, reliable, and cost-focused solution for anyone who needs to send money abroad quickly and confidently.